Welcome to Tutorial. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Black Ops 7 Warzone Dev Error OX10295CAB.
Fix 1. Restart the game. Step 1. Close Black Ops 7 Warzone completely. Step 2. Open Battle. Net or Steam again. Step 3. Launch the game and check if the error is gone. Fix 2. Update your GPU drivers. Step 1. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD software. Step 2. Check for driver updates. Step 3. Install the latest driver. Step 4. Restart your PC. Fix 3. Verify game files. Step 1. Open Battle, Net or Steam. Step 2. Go to Black Ops 7 Warzone. Step 3. Click Properties Settings. Step 4. Select Scan and Repair, Battle, Net, or verify integrity of game files. Steam. Step 5. Wait for the repair to finish. Fix 4. Run the game as administrator. Step 1. Right. Click the game shortcut. Step 2. Click Run as administrator. Step 3. Check if the error is fixed. Fix 5. Disable overlays. Step 1. Turn off Discord overlay. Step 2. Turn off NVIDIA overlay. Step 3. Turn off Steam overlay. Step 4. Restart the game.